Hey, this is Lewis from Oxygen, and welcome to Design Rules, where I talk about simple ways to improve your designs. Today, I'm going to talk about avoiding excessive use of centered text. Long-form text, more than a couple of lines, should not be centered, ever. And the reason for that is centering it makes it more difficult to read. Now, you probably hear that a lot, but why does it make it more difficult to read? What's the rationale behind this? Well, when the eye gets to the end of a line, it has to go all the way back to the beginning of the next line. Then it reads the line, then it has to go all the way back to the beginning of the next line. And when the lines start in the same place, when the text is left aligned, it's easy for the eye to find the beginning of the line because the indication of where the lines start is very tall. It's long, it's tall, it's obvious where it is, and it's unchanging. It's always in the same place. Whereas when the text is centered, the eye is going a different distance every single time. First to here, then to here, then to here. It's easy to lose your place. Now, using centered text is okay if you're just writing a couple lines of it, because it doesn't matter where the lines start and end. It's obvious this is the first line, and this is the second line. The eye doesn't need any help finding these lines. But when you're using a lot of text, it's going to look much better if it's left aligned. Okay, if you like this tip, check the YouTube description for a link to many more videos just like this one. And you're probably already using Oxygen, that's the software shown in this video. But if not, go to oxygenbuilder.com and check that out. Oxygen is the ultimate way to build WordPress websites visually. Again, this is Lewis from Oxygen, and thank you very much for watching Design Rules.